And for me, diaspora wars are not real. That's something you see happen online. Like, even like in between like the Caribbean, like it was never like that. My godmother is Haitian. She and my grandma, like, and not only her, I feel like every Haitian that I encounter, they do not play about me. They do not play about me. I'm telling you, when it's really somebody, I'm not saying that everybody else in the diaspora is not looking out for me. Like everybody, you know what I mean. Once you and you got good morals and ethics or whatever, use people's whatever. But I'm telling you, the way that Haitians be looking out for me, bro. The way that Haitians love to take me under their wing. It's my brothers and sisters. What you talking about? What are you talking about? Haitians do not play about me. And I love that. And I don't play about them, okay?